We're going to walk through using the USB drive to update your Blue phone from out of the box. First, open the box. You're going to grab the power cable out of the accessories. If you have an existing power cable that's already plugged in, you can use that too. Plug it in. Put the documentation off to the side. Going to take the phone out of the plastic protector sleeve, but put that off to the side because we're going to have to use that to repackage the phone before we give it to a customer. Same thing with the screen protector. We're going to peel that off, put it off to the side as well because we're going to reapply that later. The bottom of the phone, if you turn that over, you'll see the place to put the power. We're just going to plug the power in there. And as it's powering up, we'll go ahead and grab our USB drive and open it up. Might be easier with two hands. And on the side of the phone, you can see right here, there's a USB port. That's where we're going to plug this in. So we're going to go ahead and make sure it's facing the right way. I'm going to plug it in until it goes all the way in. And then once the phone updates, we'll walk through the process for using the files that are on the thumb drive to update the phone. It's pretty simple. We'll walk you through that. Do want to make sure that when you using the thumb drive, that we will have the version number of the software on the thumb drive, so just confirm that that's the one that you want to install. Once it boots up, you'll see this screen. We're going to hit the little exit button on the bottom. Just to confirm, tap yes. We're going to go into settings. Scroll down to the very bottom where it says About. And we're just going to confirm which version the software is on right now. It's on 1.0.0-1283. We're going to be updating that. So to do that, go back to the home screen. And now we're going to use the keypad to enter the backdoor menu or hidden menu. You're going to first start on the pound, star, pound, and then you're going to hit the numbers 3, 5, 2, 7, 4, and it'll immediately go into a screen here, a hidden screen. You're going to have to enter one more code in. So tap in the field, and then you're going to enter in the code. Again, using this, you can use the keyboard as well, but it's a number sequence, so it's easier to just use it on the keypad here. But it's going to be 2, 5, 8, 8, and then you hit next, and it should log you into the hidden menu, as you can see up on the top here. On the hidden menu, we're going to select Dev Tools. That's the option we're going to choose. So we're going to tap on Dev Tools, and that'll take you into another menu. On this menu, you're going to choose Launch OTA Test App. So the one that's right here, so that's the third one from the top. We're going to tap on that, and it's going to open up this screen here. Again, confirm your USB thumb drive is plugged into the USB port at this point in time, because that's when we're going to start looking at the USB. Tap this on the bottom where it says Auto Upgrade Local. So make sure it's the local one. It's in orange. We're going to tap on that, and you're going to start seeing some messages on the bottom. You should see a white screen appear in a moment as it identifies that there are updates to install. Asking you if you'd like to install it now. We're going to select yes. It's going to take you back to this screen. It might take you directly back to the OTA screen. We're going to go back there. So tap that again so you can start seeing the progress on the bottom. If you can see those tiny little messages that come up, it gives you a status update in terms of the percentage of the download that is completed. So we're going to wait for that to go to 100%. So now you can see it's powering off as expected. And then momentarily it should power back on. There we see the system is being updated. This is a good sign that the application, that the software is actually being installed onto the phone. You can see it's starting to boot up now with the splash screen here. If we look towards the bottom of the screen, the version number will appear in a moment, telling you which version it's now on. This is one way to confirm that you're on the correct version. There we go. Oh, showed it for a second. All right, so when it boots up again, you're going to see it's going to take you back to the setup wizard. We're going to go through that same process we had before, where we're clicking the exit. And we're going to say yes. And we just want to confirm that we're on the correct version. So again, go into settings and scroll down to the bottom, hit about, and you can see now that the version has been updated to 4714. And so now you're done. You can go ahead and remove the USB. You can unplug the phone and package it back up the way you found it. It's ready to install at a customer's